this is the solution to the Java MOOC course, Java Programming. First part 6, programming exercise 16 named to-do list. The programming exercise has been divided into 2 parts, and the programming exercise asks us that in this exercise we are going to create a program that can be used to create and modify a to-do list. The final product will work in the following manner. Okay. Command add task, go to the store, command add vacuum clean, command list. So yeah, upon adding we will be asked for a task, and upon giving the input as list will be printed with our tasks, and completed it's going to take an integer value. So second task is completed, so task go to the store, and what's this? Okay, command list go to the store only remains since 2 has been completed here. Command add task program, command list. Okay, program. Okay. We'll build the program in parts. First, part 1, to-do list. Create a class called to-do list. It should have a constructor without parameters. So constructor without parameters, and the following methods: add method, print method, and remove method. So remove method takes integer parameter. Integer parameter right here. Add takes a string, and prints the exercise. Its task has a number associated with it on the print statement. Use the task's index value plus 1. Okay, let's try and do this. First of all, let's create the class, new Java class, and to-do list is my class. So to-do list has private string, and let's name it task. Wait, to the list dot add. So okay, it did say us to create a constructor without parameters. Okay, let's just give nothing in here, and let's have public to-do list parameter less. And what we have to do is there anything we have to do? We have to write add method, print method, and remove method. Okay, add public void add method that takes string task, I guess, right? And public void print method. So first of all, let's create an array list of type string, I suppose, yeah, string, and let's name it to-do list. Let's capitalize the L here. Okay, and let's import. Oh no. First of all, let's import java.util.array list. Okay, and let's delete this. Let's refactor this. Okay, we're good now. And it's always there anything. There's a user interface given here that we will create later. Okay, so we have to-do list. Add what constructor does is initialize this to-do list. To-do list is equals to new array list. That's done. So what this does is I have to do how about pluralize this, to do lists dot add. What we're gonna add task. Thus for every string to do list under to do lists, what we're gonna do is we're gonna print to do list. Okay. But we will be adding a string, right? So this is a string. What we can add is the value. So we are adding it, but while printing it, what we are printing is, like in here, adding goes, but while list, so prints the exercise. Assume that the remove method is given a method that corresponds to a real task. The method only has to correctly work once after each print call. Okay. Remove takes an integer parameter. So while printing it, what we can do is we have okay, upon printing, this method is called, but this prints in the format of 1.23. Okay, so what we can do is okay here and okay here. So but we are not only printing this, but what we're printing is we have an index. So how do you get the index? So we can do our to do list space dot. Let's see if we have a method, and yeah, we have a method of a string, right? So index of string, index of to do list plus to do list, and we also have to add a this in the space and this, so that should do it. Right now, next we have a public void remove function that takes integer, what is it called, index or number. So it's called int number. So let's give this a value of a number, and all we have to do is simply remove the value that is first of all the list name, to do lists dot remove, and simply number. Okay, and let's go into our main Java. User interface is yet not done, so let's comment this out. We must be provided with something. Okay, we have been provided with this, so let's copy this test code first. Let's paste that, let's paste it, and let's try to run this. Let's keep the output here. Did we get the desired output? So no, we're getting read the course material, watch the latest fullest, and take it easy, but list print list that remove too. So yeah, we have been this one is removed, so it's 0 1 2, index is index plus 1. Alright, so what we can do here is index of to-do list. Let's see what this gives us. Wait a second. Okay, so dot index of, okay, so this returns integer for sure, but we have to print this +1, and let's do this here. And if we are to remove 0, then 1 should be removed. So let's try and run this. Let's see what this gives us. Still a 0 0 0. 1 1 1. Okay. So we are messing it somewhere around here. Read the course material. If we are hitting, what we're hitting is remove 2. So this should actually remove. This is the index value. So 1 2 becomes, if we are removing 2, then we're removing actually 1. No. So okay, this should fix that problem. Let's see. You may assume that the remove method is a given number that corresponds to a real task. The method has to correctly work once after each print call. Another example is 1 1 2 3. Okay, so we are certainly making an error here while printing this. To-do list or index of to-do list. Oh, sorry. To-do lists dot index of to-do list. Okay, I think this should now work. Yeah, read the course material. What's the latest foolish? Take it easy. And if we remove 2, then take it easy becomes our second thing. Is this the desired output? Yep. Okay, so we have successfully been able to do it. Now let's move on to part 2, user interface. Next, implement a class called user interface. So first of all, let's create a class user interface. So to-do list, let's create a new Java class user interface. Okay. Ooh, let's add it here. Okay, user interface. And what does it have? User constructor with 2 parameters. The first parameter is an instance of the class to-do list. Okay, so a to-do list object, and the second is an instance of the class scanner. Let's do that as well. So private scanner and private let's name it to-do list, and let's name it to-do list. Okay, let's import Java utility scanner. That fixes that. And after that, public user interface that initializes our to list. Okay. Let's name it to-do list. Oh, sorry. Okay, so that, and this dot scanner is equals to scanner. Let's initialize them, and this dot to-do list is equals to to-do list. Okay, that's done. Next, what we have to do is okay, in addition to the constructor, the class should have the method public void start. So first of all, let's create a method public void start, and what it should do, public void start. What it should do is that is used to start the text user interface. The text UI works with an eternal looping system while true, and it must offer the following commands to the user. First of all, the command stops the execution of the loop, after which the execution of the program advances out of the start method. The command add asks the user for the next task to be added. So if add to add, the command list prints all the tasks on the to-do list. So yeah, list simply calls the method. Remove asks the user to enter the ID of the task to be removed. When this has been entered, the specified task will be removed from the list of the tasks. So it's quite easy. First of all, add and list and stop. Okay, let's do it. So we have a while true statement, right? While true, we have a break condition. And when should we break? Let's type sorry, let's first of all let's ask for a command, right? Command, yep. Okay, and let's assign this command to input command. Okay, equals to scanner dot next line method should be able to receive this. Okay, so if our input command command dot equals to stop, then we should break. We should have to print something. If it's stop, oh no, command stop simply stops without printing anything, right? Okay, now add else if, so we can add else if, right? Condition if our input command dot equals what it should be equal to, equals to add. So what we're going to call to-do list dot no, it should ask for a string to add. So yeah, so as out to add, right? And then let's assign this to a string task. Okay, and let's give it a value of scanner dot next line, and that's done. The next thing we have to do is to-do list dot add method is to be called with task being sent. Okay, because our add method takes a string and it simply adds it. Okay, now else if condition is that all, right? And finally is list. Okay, so we have a list method and a remove method. So sorry, input word dot equals should be equal to remove and list, right? Sorry, input command, input command. If this is the thing, then all it should do is simply call to do list dot print method. Okay, we have the print method to print it all. Else if input command dot equals remove, so it should ask for an integer. So let's define what is that called, command remove, which one is removed. So we have to print which one is removed. Is that all? Which one is removed, and a space. Okay, so which one is removed and a space. After that, let's take an integer value and remove task number is equals to integer dot value of, it's lagging, okay, scanner dot next line. Okay, there we go. But we are missing an else statement, so else, let's simply continue. Okay, let's see if this actually works or not. So is there a good test code given to us? No. So okay, so let's write the code. Okay, first of all we have, what do we have? A user interface class, right? So okay, so here we go. User interface. Okay, I think now it should work. User interface. Source code. I don't know. Okay, where is it? List and a scanner. So okay. A list and a scanner. So let's do this and scanner. Okay, let's try and run this. Command, command add here to add cleaning, right? Command add here, let's say by grocery. Okay, let's try laundry. Okay, and then command list. So cleaning, buying grocery, but laundry is not added. Oh, sorry. I forgot to add it. So yeah. Okay, now let's list it. Okay, what's the next method we have here? Adding, listing, and removing. Okay, now we have a removing. Oh, sorry, remove. Let's remove second one and let's list it out. So okay. Oh, sorry. After that we have to call the method. I forgot to call the method. So to do list dot, we have a remove method and remove task number is done. Okay, let's try and run this again. So I have a command of add laundry, add by grocery, and add cleaning, and command of list. So yeah, command of remove. Let's remove 2 and let's list it. So yeah, laundry and cleaning. I think that's all. It took a long time. I was quite slow doing this. Sorry for that. Okay, let's see if we have been able to do it or not. Yeah, all tests have passed on the server. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the solution of the next video. Thank you.